Hello guys, today I have got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you all the top tricks of your earbuds. So, as you can see here, we've got our application, and this is the first best top trick that not every earbuds in this budget have. It's because these earbuds are, I think, 20 bucks. It's very cheap when it comes to earbuds. In Poland it's 80 zlotys, which is 3 hours of work. No, 4 hours of work, yeah. Or maybe 3. No, 3 hours of work, yeah. Well, the minimum wage, which is very cheap. So actually, application is very nice here. So apart from that, when we scroll a little bit down, we can see Find Earphones button. We can ring our earbuds to find them when we losing someone in our house. Of course, it doesn't have features like AirPods that they can be found with our phone or live location, but it is what it is, right? And the third thing is with that we've got audio balance in our earbuds, and we can manage every single equalizer preset. So that's actually it. Goodbye.